In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the HubSpot interface efficiently using the app NA2 platform. This guide will walk you through accessing key features within HubSpot's Sales Hub Professional Trial. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to refine your navigation skills, this step-by-step process is designed to help you make the most of your experience. First, open your preferred browser and head over to the trial guide for HubSpot's Sales Hub Professional. You can access it directly through the URL provided in your materials. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself looking at an overview, showcasing the potential tools and features available in this trial version. This is your starting point, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and features highlighted here. Next, direct your attention to the navigation menu. Locate and click on the Marketing tab. HubSpot's interface is menu-driven, making it straightforward to find what you're searching for with just a click or two. By selecting Marketing, you'll open up various options, enabling you to manage and engage with your marketing initiatives effectively. Following that, navigate further by selecting Email from the subsequent menu. This section is integral for managing email marketing campaigns, allowing you to draft, edit, and schedule communications to your leads and customers. HubSpot simplifies the email creation process, making it intuitive to send professionally branded messages that enhance engagement. Now, having selected the email section, turn your attention to the Create Email button. This will open a new window or prompt, inviting you to start crafting your message. Whether starting from scratch or leveraging available templates, this is where your marketing communication takes shape. HubSpot's email builder is user-friendly, offering a drag-and-drop interface that doesn't require advanced technical skills. As you navigate, you might choose to close certain windows or pop-ups to keep your workspace uncluttered. If you see an X icon, clicking it will close the current menu or pop-up, allowing you to focus on the task at hand without unnecessary distractions. Remember, keeping your workspace tidy can significantly enhance your productivity. At this point, you may need to return to your previous selection. Begin by clicking again on Marketing to get back to the main menu. From here, you can explore another powerful feature by selecting Campaigns. This section provides a comprehensive overview of various marketing campaigns, offering insights into campaign performance and facilitating the planning of future initiatives. It's a central hub where all your strategies come together, and the data gleaned here is invaluable for making informed decisions. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to navigate HubSpot with ease, making your daily tasks more efficient and your marketing efforts more impactful. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find this guide helpful as you optimize your use of HubSpot.